How to send HD photos in WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can send HD photos or videos on WhatsApp. Now after the latest update, it's quite simple and easy to send the HD photo in WhatsApp, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to simply open up your WhatsApp Messenger. Then what you want to do is you want to head into the chat that you wish to send the photo or the video on. Then tap on the camera icon there, or you can see the files option there. You want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, it'll ask you to choose. You can choose gallery option there, and you can go ahead and select the picture that you wish to send. So I'll just select this particular picture here. Now what you want to do is, before sending, you can see here, you can see the HD option at the top of your screen. You want to simply tap on it, and you can see media quality option. You want to tap on HD quality, and you can go ahead and you can see video set to HD quality, and now you can send it. Similarly, if you want to send a picture as well, you can select the gallery option, then choose the particular gallery or photo there, and then tap on HD option at the top, and then tap on HD quality, then send it. So this way you can send HD photos in WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.